That video is out of focus, but it was. I just got one thing of polyboard. It's like a recycled plastic, I guess. I'm gonna use that in the shower. And I got 6 packs of planks for the ceiling. Okay, it's ceiling time. I just found the center line for the bus, which is this. So after I did that, I measured out the width of my boards. I mapped this out to see where it would land when it goes to curve, and it landed perfectly on both nailers. So the ceiling is 3 1/4 inches wide once it's assembled. So I mapped it out, bada 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 bung, and it's gonna work. So now I know that the center line is gonna be a seam rather than a board. So now I need to measure out, I'm trying to like design it to where we don't see any of the seams. It's gonna butt up to here and then come to here, which is gonna be a wall eventually, but I'm doing the ceiling before I frame to support the ceiling more. I don't know. Okay.
Would avoid that knot.
2.
Yeah, I'd go 2.
Ready?
You are.
Aim. Fire. Ready, aim. I feel like I'm piercing someone's ears.
So here's a problem. You can't start from the center line. How can you get the tongue with that? You gotta start over here.
Oh.
Like this, and start the tongue at it, and just kind of try to hide that center line. That's the rub of a center lines with tongue and groove. You can't do.
I see. Well, shit.
I mean, you can nail that like that, and cover it.
Yeah, but look at that gap. That's gonna be hard to hide.
Mm-hmm.
And it's gonna get bigger over time.
That's the rub. You have to start
over there.
You have to either start here and run your. You just make a bold maneuver right here. And you better redo those. it's gonna go.
Kind of looks like shit. It's not terrible.
I really gotta get on the phone here.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, buenos dias, ¿qué pasó, qué tal, how we doing? I just got back from Mexico. Austin and I made a trip to go see some buddies down in Barra de la Cruz. Super last minute, but man, was it great. It was nice to step away from the bus for a little bit, but check that out. I missed her. But yeah, we spent 10 days down there, got some sun, tried to surf a little bit. It was great. We were in this really cute little town, really nice people there, and a bunch of sunshine. It was so hot. It was lovely. I'm just feeling 100% replenished. Windy. But look at this. That's so nice. I'm not used to talking to the camera. I'm getting burnt out, so I'm gonna stop. But today, working on the ceiling. That piece, I need to cut it. Yeah, stoked. But first, do you want to see some clips of it? Because I got some. What is up? Ceiling's halfway done. I haven't been recording because I just am burnt out from it, and so I haven't been. But I'll try my best today. I had to stop the the lights. I've been putting the lights in. On this side, it's fully installed. I ran out of tracking, so I had to order new stuff, but that came today, so I'm gonna install that lighting and then maybe a couple boards, and I'm out of boards, so I'm gonna just work till I run out of materials. So let's do it. Oh, check this out. She got a new cat. Pretty cool, huh? I think so. All right, let's get to work.
we're poppin'.
Good morning. Hello. I finished the ceiling. I don't really remember how far I recorded, but it's done. Except for all the electrical components, so this channel here, I'm gonna close that up once it's all wired up and dialed in. So before I jump into electrical, well, before Austin jumps into electrical, I'm gonna help, but he's the one that knows what he's doing. I need to frame out the shower and the closet so that we can run all these wires down the frame, and then I can close up those sides and it'll be so satisfying. But yeah, I finished the ceiling. It feels great. Look at that. This is a temporary light fixture. It came with this shade. I'm gonna ditch that. I'm gonna spray paint that black. And then I'm gonna make my own light fixture for the dinette. It's gonna be so cute. And yeah, I still need to put the tracking up there for the lights, but yeah, she's done. Sick. So that's the end of this episode, chapter thing, whatever I call it. Stick around. Next week I'm jumping into framing. I don't know if you can see it, but I've already started. It's very satisfying, as is this whole build. But yeah, ceiling's done. I'm gonna trim out all these little edges where you can see the ends, and the skylight needs trimmed out, but the boards are in. That means we can move forward with framing and then electrical and then the rest of the build. And plumbing. I'm scared about that, but we'll tackle that beast when it comes. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and let me know what you think of the ceiling. I love it. I'm stoked on it. What else do I have to say? Nothing. I'll see you next week. Look! I made a frame! Yeah, I did that yesterday. It took me all day. The first frame I made, so I didn't know what the heck I was doing. It took a couple hours to get it to fit, and And then this one took me about 45 minutes. So I think today it's gonna go a little faster. I'm gonna make the shower frame. This is for the closet. It's gonna open up like this. Drink my coffee in the closet. This is gonna be aligned with that. We got the bed, we got the shower. There's gonna be a door some way or another. But I'm gonna focus on these two frames today. So follow along. Billabong.